Good morning to all. Welcome to the virtual class of computer of class 7th. Today we are going to start lesson number 3rd and part number 2. Our topic is Scratch. Let's start. Sensing block. Sensing block contains the blocks that sense the mouse, keyboard and other sprites on the stage. There are 17 sensing blocks in Scratch. Next is sound block. Like a sprite gallery, Scratch also has a sound gallery. We can import the sound by clicking on the import button from the sound tab. If we do not find a stable sound, then we can also record the sound by clicking on the record button. Next is operators block. Operators contains blocks like arithmetic operators, relational operators, and Boolean operators. There are 17 operators block in Scratch. Next is variable block. Variable are used whenever a project requires a value to be stored and remembered, such as a score in a game. Making a variable, step first, click the variable block, click on make a variable block, write the variable name, click OK button. We will see that the defined variable name appears on the block palette along with the other blocks. Let's do a practical. Open your Scratch window. Here I take a sprite like a cat. Now go to control block. Here I choose when clicked option. This is when clicked option. Next I go to motion block. Here I choose go to X and Y value. Go to X and Y value. Here I change the value minus x is equal to minus 221 and y is equal to minus 122. Next I go to looks block. Here I choose switch to costume. Switch to costume and I select costume 2. Now I go to control block and take when space key pressed option. When space key pressed option. Next I take forever option. This is forever option. Now go to motion block. Here I choose move 10 steps. Move 10 steps. Then I go operators. Here I choose pick random. Pick random and adjust it in move steps. Now again go to control block and choose wait 1 second and change the value into 0.2 second. Next again go to looks block and choose next costume. Next costume. Again go to control block and choose if option. If this is if option. Then go to sensing. Here I choose touching and adjust it in if option and change the value with H. Next to looks and here I choose say option. Say, this is say option and type here I am the winner. Again go to control option, choose wait 1 second and change the value 4, and in the last go to control option, control block and choose stop all option. This is our script for first sprite. Now we right click on the sprite and click on duplicate and drag it here. Now again click on sprite 2, right click and duplicate, and again drag it into down. Our script is ready. When you click on spacebar from the keyboard, the race will be start. You can see if you want to insert a sound in your program, then click on sound option. Here you can choose any sound like mew. You can import animals, bird. You can choose anyone. Suppose I choose meow. Click OK. Your sound will be imported in the program. You can also record your sound from the record button. Thank you.